Hello friends, welcome back to another learning video. Today we are going to create multiple checkboxes of employee attendance. For this you have to click on Developer tab. If you don't find Developer tab, go to File tab. Scroll down to last and click on Options. Here click on Customize ribbon. Select on the Developer checkbox. Go to Developer tab. Click Insert and choose Checkbox under Form Controls. Draw the checkbox here. Right-click here and choose Edit Text. Delete the text. Now the text is removed and we get clear background. Again right-click and select Format Control. Click on Cell Link and select cell C3. Drag the bottom right corner of the cell C3 to copy it down. Now we have created multiple checkboxes. Here we are getting false written behind checkboxes. To remove these, select down the column of checkbox. Go to Home tab and change font color from automatic to white. Now we see only checkboxes, not the output of it. When we click on one checkbox, all get selected. Go to Attendance column and write down this formula. And it is working fine. Now drag it down to copy the formula below. But we are not getting the satisfactory results. So, click on Visual Basic. Right-click on this workbook, select Insert and choose Module. A new module will open. Here write down this code. Save your work and click on Play. Go back to Excel sheet and all is done. Check the results and is working fine. Like and follow for daily tips on Shalu Verma classes.